My dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Still we are seeing the chapter 4 rational numbers. In today's class we are going to discuss about how to multiply the rational numbers. Okay, see here. Here we have some examples. Before multiplying the two rational numbers, the first step is you have to write the given rational number in standard form. What is meant by standard form? Suppose if the denominator containing the negative symbol means you have to shift that negative symbol to its numerator. Okay, see here. So in the solution part, we are going to shift this minus symbol to its numerator. So minus 3 by 5 into 15 by 27. Here there is no negative symbol in the denominator. So what is the first step? If the denominator contains negative symbol means you have to shift that negative symbol to its numerator. After that, as in the fraction, you have to collect the numerators as well as collect the denominators. See here. So what are the numerators? Minus 3 and 15. Minus 3 into 15 by 5 into 27. Do you understand, children, how I am writing? Minus 3 into 15 whole divided by 5 into 27. Before multiplying the numerator and the denominators, we have to check whether there is a possible for cancellation. You have to cancel both numerator and the denominator by the same table. Okay, see here. Here we have the number 5. Here we have the 15. So, using the 5 table, we can cancel both this numerator as well as the denominator. So, 5 comes in 5 table 1 time and 15 comes in 5 table 3 times. Here you have to write the times only. So, now what is your answer? Minus 3 into 3 divided by 1 into 27. Before multiplying the numerator and denominator, again we have to check if there is possible for cancellation. See here 3, 27. We can cancel this numerator and denominator by using 3 table. So 3 comes in 3 table 1 times. 27 comes in 3 table 9 times. So what is your answer? Minus 3 into 1 by 1 into 9. Now you have to multiply the numerator. Minus into plus minus 3 into 1 3. So minus 3 by 9. Again you have to check if there is any possible for cancellation. We can cancel both 3 and 9 by using 3 tables. So 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So what is your answer? Minus 1 by 3. Thus we have multiplied the two rational numbers. 3 by minus 15 into 15 by 27 and we got the answer minus 1 by 3. Next see the another sum. 4 by minus 7 into 14. See here, the second number is a whole number. So you have to write 1 as its denominator. See the first rational number, the denominator contains minus symbol. So you have to shift this negative symbol to its numerator. So rewrite the question as minus 4 by 7 into, you have to assign 1 to the denominator of 14. So 14 by 1. So what is the next step? You have to correct the numerator and the denominator. So minus 4 into 14 by 7 into 1. Since it is a negative number, use the bracket to avoid the confusion. Okay. So minus 4 into 14 by 7 into 1. Now we have to check for the cancellation. See here we have 7. Here we have 14. So using the 7 table we can cancel 7 as 1 times. 14 comes in 7 table 2 times. So what is your answer? Minus 4 into 2 divided by 1 into 1. So minus 4 into 2, what is your answer? Yes, minus 8. 1 into 1, 1. So if a number containing the 1 as its denominator, you can leave it. So write your answer as minus 8. So what is your answer? Minus 8. See the next example. Minus 12 by 11 into minus 3 by 4. There is no negative symbol in the denominator. So now you have to collect the numerator. Minus 12 into minus 3 divided by 11 into 4. Before multiplying the numerator and denominator, we have to check for the cancellation. See here we have 4, here we have 12. So using the 4 table, we can cancel both the numbers. So 4 comes in 4 table 1 times, 12 comes in 4 table 3 times. So what is the answer? While you are writing the number, you have to write along with its symbol. Okay. So minus 3 into minus 3 by 11 into 1. Do you understand, children? See here, minus 3 into minus 3 whole divided by 11 into 1. So what is your answer? See, there is no possible for cancellation. So you can multiply the numerators and their denominators. So minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 by 11 into 1 11. Since it is in the type of proper fraction, so leave as it is. Do you understand? See the next sum. Minus 7 by 81 into minus 36 by 49. Since it is in standard form, now we have to correct their numerators and their denominators. So what is the answer? Minus 7. While you are writing the negative numbers, you have to use the simple bracket. Okay. So what are the denominators? 81 into 49. Now we have to check for the possibility of cancellation. See, here we have 7, here we have 49, 36, 81. You can cancel both 36 and 81 by using 9 table, and you can cancel 7 and 49 by using 7 table. First of all, I am cancelling 7 and 49. So 7 table. So if 7 comes in 7 table, how many times? 1 time. 49 comes in 7 table 7 times. So once again write the remaining numbers. Minus 1 into minus 36 divided by 81 into 7. Next I am going to use 9 table for the cancellation. So 9 table, 36 comes in 9 table how many times? Yes, 4 times. 81 comes in 9 table how many times? Yes, 9 times. So minus 1 into, while you are writing this number, you have to write along with its symbol. So minus 4 whole divided by 9 into 7. It's clear, children, how I am doing this sum. Minus 1 into minus 4 divided by 9 into 7. There is no possible for cancellation. Now you can multiply their numerators and denominators. See here, minus into minus plus. No need to write the symbol plus. So 1 into 4, 4 divided by 9 sevens are 63. So what is your answer? 4 by 63. What is the types of fraction it is? It is a proper fraction since the numerator value is smaller than its denominator. So what is your answer? If you multiply 7 by 81 into minus 36 by 49, your answer is 4 by 63. See the next one. 7 by 12 into minus 15 by 14. Now we have to collect the numerators as well as denominators. So 7 into minus 15, 12 into 14. You can cancel, see 7 and 14 by using 7 table and 12 and 15 by using 3 table. You must thorough all the tables. Okay, then only you can easily identify which table you have to use for the cancellation. Okay, so thorough the tables first. So I am using the 7 table first. So 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. So what are the remaining numbers? 1 into minus 15 whole divided by 12 into 2. Next I am going to use 3 table for the cancellation. So 15 comes in 3 table how many times? 5 times. 12 comes in 3 table how many times? 4 times. So write the remaining numbers. 1 into, while you are writing this number, you have to write along with its symbol. So 1 into minus 5 divided by 4 into 2. There is no possible for another cancellation. So you just multiply the numerator and the denominator and write the answer. 1 into minus 5 minus 5. 4 2s are 8. Do you understand, children? See the another example, some children. Example 6. 2 1 by 5 into 3 2 by 7. See the question. Here we have the rational number in mixed form. So before multiplying the rational numbers, you have to convert the mixed rational number into an improper fraction, improper rational number. Okay. See here how I am going to convert it. So 5 into 2. 5 into 2 plus 1 whole divided by 5. And then you have to multiply this 7 into, here you have the symbol multiplication. 7 into 3 plus 2 whole divided by 7. Do you understand how we have to convert? You have to multiply the denominator and the whole part, and then you have to add the numerator part. Similarly, 7 into 3 plus 2. So what is the answer? 5 2s are 10 plus 1 by 5 into 7 3s are 21 plus 2 whole divided by 7. Do you understand how I am getting 5 2s are 10 plus 1 whole divided by 5 into 7 3s are 21 plus 2 by 7. Okay. So 10 plus 1 11 by 5 into 21 plus 2 23 by 7. So before multiplying the rational numbers, you have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Now we have to multiply these two fractions. How we are going to multiply? By connecting their numerators as well as denominators. See here, there is no possible for cancellation. We can't cancel any numerator by the denominator by using the same table. So in this case, what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator and write the answers. Okay. Now we are going to multiply the numerators. So to multiply the 23 by 11, 1 3 is 3, 1 2 is 2. 1 3 is 3, 1 2 is 2. So what is the answer? 3, 5, 2. 7 5s are 35. So what is your answer? 253. What is the numerator? 23 into 11. Your answer is 253 divided by 5 7s are 35. So see here, we get the answer as 253 by 35. It is what type of fraction? It is a improper fraction. So you have to convert it into mixed fraction. So you have to divide the numerator by its denominator. So what is the denominator here? 35. Now we are going to divide this 253 by 35. See here 35. If you take 2 digits, it is not enough. So you have to take 3 digits. Okay, let us check. What should we multiply with 35 to get the 253 or the number less than 88? Okay. So first I am going to multiply it by 6. 6 5s are 30, remainder 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 21, 2, 10. If you add 35 with it, you get 245. So you can choose the number 7. 7 5s are 35, remainder 3. 7 3s are 21 plus 3, 24. So you can divide it by 253 by 35. So write here 7. So 7 35s are 245. Now you have to subtract 4. 13 minus 5, what is your remainder? 8. So your remainder is 8, quotient is 7. Now we are going to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. While you are converting, write the denominator as it is. Okay, write the denominator as a denominator. And the remainder became numerator and the quotient became the whole part. Do you understand, children, how I am writing? So what is your answer? 7, 8 by 35. See the next sum. Example 7, 4, 3 by 8 into minus of 5, 3 by 5. Here we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we have to convert? Multiply 8 into 4 plus 3 whole divided by 8. Many of the students miss to write the 8. So you have to write the 8 as the denominator. And then multiply 5 into, keep this minus symbol normally outside. Okay. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 plus 3 whole divided by 5. Do you understand, children, how I am writing? See, 8 into 4 plus 3. 5 into minus 5 plus 3. Now we have to multiply 8 4s are 32 plus 3 by 8. This is the first one. Keep the minus as it is. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 by 5. Okay. So what is your answer? 32 plus 3. 35 by 8. Okay. Into minus 25 plus 3. 28 by 5. Do you understand, children, how I am writing? So what is the answer? 8 4s are 32 plus 3. 35 by 8. Into, keep the minus symbol commonly outside. Okay. So 5 into 5 plus 3. 25 plus 3. 28 by 5. Now we have to collect the numerators as well as denominator. While you are writing the negative numbers, you have to use the simple bracket to avoid the confusion. So 8 into 5. See here, we can cancel 35 and 5 by using 5 table. Also, you can cancel 8 and minus 28 by using 4 table. First, I am using 5 table for the cancellation. Okay. So 1 5 is 5, 7 5s are 35. Write the numbers. 7 into minus 28 divided by 8 into 1. Now I am going to use 4 table for cancelling 8 and minus 28. So 8 comes in 4 table how many times? 2 times. 28 comes in 4 table how many times? 7 4s are 28. So 7 here. So write the numerators. While you are writing the numbers, you have to write along with the symbol. So 7 into minus 7 by 2 into 1. Okay. So what is the symbol of 7 here? Plus. Plus into minus, minus. 7 7s are 49 by 2. What type of fraction is it? It is improper fraction. So you have to convert into mixed fraction. So divide the 49 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Subtracting 0, bring down the 9. 4 2s are 8. Subtracting, you get the remainder 1. Now we are going to write this as a mixed fraction. While you are converting, write the denominator as it is 2. Okay. And the remainder became the numerator. Write the numerator as 1. And the quotient part became the whole part. So what is your whole part? 24. You have to assign this minus symbol to the whole part. So what is your answer? Minus 24 1 by 2. Do you understand, children? See the next example 8. Minus 7 3 by 5 into 5 5 by 7. Again we have the mixed fraction. So you have to convert this into improper fraction. See here. 5 into 7. Keep this minus commonly outside, children. Okay. So 5 into 7 plus 3 whole divided by 5. Write the denominator as it is. There is no change in the denominator. There is a changes only in the numerator only. Okay. 7 into 5 plus 5. You have to multiply the denominator and the whole part. And then you have to add the answer with the numerator. So 7 into 5 plus 5 whole divided by 7. Here 5 into 7 plus 3 whole divided by 5. Keep the minus commonly outside. Okay. I hope you understand. So what is the next step? 7 5s are 35 plus 3 by 5. Keep the symbol minus commonly outside. Into 7 5s are 35 plus 5 by 7. Okay. So 35 plus 3, 38. So minus 38 by 5. Do you understand how we are writing here? 35 plus 3, 38. The symbol outside is minus. While you are writing the negative number, use the simple bracket. So minus 38 by 5 into 35 plus 5, 40. 40 by 7. Okay. So minus 38 by 5. Now we can collect the numerators. Minus 38 into 40 by 5 into 7. Now we have to check if there is any possible for cancellation. We can cancel. See here 5 and 40 by using 5 table. So I am using 5 table for cancellation. So 1 5 is 5, 8 5s are 40. So write the numbers. Minus 38 into 8 by 1 into 7. Now we have to check is there any possible for cancellation. See here, we can cancel 8 and 7 by using the common table. Also 38 by 7 by using the common table. So there is no other way, we have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. So in the rougher part you have to multiply 38 by 8. 38 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Remainder 6. 8 3s are 24 plus 6 30. So 304. So right. So here we have the symbol minus also. So minus 304 by 1 into 7, 7. See what type of fraction it is? It is improper fraction. So you have to convert this into mixed fraction. So in the upper part, you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So our denominator is 7. So 4 7s are 28. Separating you get 2. Bring down the 4. 3 7s are 21. So our remainder is 3. Now we are going to convert this improper into mixed fraction. So write the denominator as it is. Okay. Here our denominator is 7. Write the denominator as it is. Our remainder became numerator. And the quotient became the whole part. Assign the negative symbol to the whole part. So our answer is minus 43 3 by 7. If you multiply 43 into 7 and you add 3, you get the number 304. Okay. So our answer is minus 43 3 by 7. Okay. See the last sum. Example 9, 51 by 55 into minus 60 by 34. Here there is no mixed fraction. So there is, we don't want to convert it into a mixed improper fraction. You just collect the numerators. So what are the numerators? 51 into minus 60 divided by 55 into 34. Now we have to check the possible for cancellation. See here, 55 here 60. So we can cancel by using 5 table. So 5 table, 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5, 60, 1 5 is 5, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10. So write the number 51 into minus 12 by 11 into 34. See here, 51 into minus 12, 11 into 34. Now I am going to use 17 table. 17 into 2, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 34. Similarly, 17 into 3, 7 3s are 21, remainder 2, 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So we can use 17 table for cancellation. So 34 comes in 17 table how many times? 2 times. 51 comes in 17 table how many times? 3 times. So write 3 into minus 12 by 11 into 2. Now see, in the numerator we have minus 12. Here we have 2. You can cancel both them by using 2 table. So 1 time, 6 time. So write the remaining numbers. 3 into 6. 3 into, while you are writing the number you have to write along with its symbol. So 3 into minus 6 by 11 into 1. So 3 into minus 6 minus 18 by 11. Do you understand children how I am writing? 3 into minus 6 divided by 11 into 1. So 3 into minus 6, your answer is minus 18 by 11. Again we have improper fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fraction. Divide 18 by 11. 1 times. So what is your remainder? 7. While you are writing the mixed fraction, write the denominator as it is. Remainder became numerator. Quotient became the whole part. Assign the minus symbol to the whole part. So what is your answer? Minus 1, 7 by 11. I hope you understand all the problems discussed today. Write your classwork neatly and do your homework correctly. Okay, thank you children. My dear children, in today's activity, we are going to discuss the concept division. Okay, first we are going to see one example sum. See here, we are going to divide the 12 by 2. 12 divided by 2. So what is the dividend? 12 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. It means you have to divide the number 12 by 2. Okay. So now we are going to divide the 12 by 2. In 2 table, 12 comes how many times? 6 times. So here you have to write 6. So 6 2s are 12. So what is our remainder? 0. So by dividing the 12 by 2, you get the quotient as 6 and remainder as 0. Now we are going to do the activity for this division. Okay. For that we are going to take 12 coins. Okay. Here we have taken 12 coins. Now we are going to divide these 12 coins into 2 equal parts. Let us count how many coins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we are going to divide these 12 coins into 2 equal parts. For that you have to take 2 coins at a time. Why we are taking 2 coins at a time means here our divisor is 2. So we have to take the coins 2 at once. So 1, 2. Again take 2 coins. Give 1 to each part. Again take 2 coins. Give 1 to each part. Similarly take 2 coins and give 1 to each part. Thus we are seeing there is no remaining coins. Let us count how many coins are there in each part. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thus in each part we have the 6 coins. Thus we get in the sum also. See here. Here we get the quotient as 6. Here also we get the quotient as 6 and there is no remainder. See the next sum. 13 divided by 2. So which is our divisor? 2 is the divisor and 13 is the dividend. Now we are going to divide this 13 by 2. So in 2 table 13 did not come, so we go to the 12. So 12 comes in 2 table how many times? 6 times. So 6 2s are 12. By subtracting 12 from 13 you get the remainder as 1. So while we are dividing the 13 by 2 you get the quotient as 6 and remainder as 1. Now we are going to do activity for this sum. Okay, for that we have to take how many coins? Yes, 13 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we have to divide these 13 coins into 2 equal parts. So we have to divide this 13 coins into 2 equal parts. Why we are dividing this 13 into 2? Because our divisor is 2. So we have to take 2 coins at once. Give 1 to each part. Okay, similarly we have to do for the all the coins. Okay, let us see what the quotient we get and the remainder. See here, there is 1 coin remaining and each part let us count how many coins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thus in each part we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins and 1 coin remains. So our remainder is 1 and quotient is 6. See here, while we are dividing the 13 by 2, our quotient is 6 and remainder is 1. Similarly here, our quotient is 6 and the remainder is 1. See the another example children. 15 divided by 3. So our divisor is 3, our dividend is 15. You have to divide this 15 into 3 equal parts. Okay, see here, this is your normal division. We are dividing the 15 by 3. So in 3 table 15 comes how many times? 5 times. So here you have to write 5 in the quotient part. So 5 3s are 15. By subtracting 15 from 15 you get the remainder as 0. So while you are dividing the 15 by 3 your quotient is 5, remainder is 0. Okay. Now we are going to do the activity for this division. Okay. For that you have to take how many coins? Yes, 15 coins. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 10, 15 coins are there. Now we are going to divide these 15 coins into 3 equal parts. Why we have to divide into 3 equal parts? Because our divisor is 3. Okay. For that you have to take 3 coins at once and give 1 to each part. Okay. Similarly you have to take 3 coins at once and give 1 to each part. Similarly you have to do for the remaining coins. Okay. So take 3 coins at once, give 1 to each part. So coins in the each part give the value of quotient. Okay, let us count the quotient. For that you have to check before that the each part must contain the same number of coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thus each part contains the same coins and the number of coin is 5. So our quotient is 5 and there is no remaining coins. So our remainder is 0. Once again see this example. 15 divided by 3. Our quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. So by this activity also our quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. Let us see one more example. 17 divided by 3. Our divisor is 3. Dividend is 17. Now we are going to divide this 17 by 3. Okay. In 3 table we did not have the number 17. Okay. So we have to check for the before number to 17. So what is the before number to 17? 16. 16 also not come in the 3 table. So we go for the number 15. So 15 comes in 3 table. How many times? 5 times. So in the quotient part you have to write the number 5. 5 3s are 15. By subtracting the 15 from 17 you get the remainder 2. Okay. Thus the division of 17 by 3 we get the quotient 5, remainder 2. Now we are going to check the quotient and the remainder by doing activity. For that you have to take 17 coins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Now we are going to divide these 17 coins into 3 equal parts. For that you have to take 3 coins at once and give 1 to each part. You have to take 3 coins at once. Why we are taking the 3 coins at once? Because our divisor is 3. That's why we are taking 3 coins at once. Okay. So similarly we are distributing the coins to each part by taking 3 coins at once. So at last while you go for the 3 coins but we have only 2 coins. So you have to stop up to this. Okay. So we don't have 3 coins. You have to take 3 coins at once. But here we have 2 coins only. So you have to stop this process. Okay. Now we are going to check how many coins in each pot. Thus each pot contains how many coins? Yes, 5 coins. So our quotient is 5 and the remainder is 2. See here, while you are dividing the 17 by 5, your quotient is 5, remainder is 2. By using the coins, we also get the number of coins in each pot gives the quotient. So in each pot it contains 5. So our quotient is 5, the remainder is 2. It's clear, children? Next, see the another example sum. 20 divided by 4. You have to divide the 20 by 4. Okay, so in 4 table, 20 comes how many times? 5 times. So 5 4s are 20, our remainder is 0. Let us do activity for this. For this you have to take how many coins? Yes, 20 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 coins we have taken. You have to divide these 20 coins into how many equal parts? Yes, 4 equal parts because our divisor is 4. Our divisor is 4. So you have to take 4 parts. Okay. So now we are going to divide this 20 into 4 equal parts. For that you have to take how many coins at once? At once you have to take 4 coins. Why we are taking 4 coins at once? Because our divisor is 4. Okay. So you have to take 4 coins at once and give 1 coin to each part. Okay. Similarly, you have to distribute all the coins by taking 4 at once. Okay. Then the number of coins in the each part gives you the quotient and remaining coins gives you the remainder. Okay. Taking 4 at once and give 1 to each part. So there is no remaining coins. Let us check our quotient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thus there is no remainder. So we get our quotient as 5 and remainder as 0. Let us see another example sum. 22 divided by 4. So our divisor is again 4 and our dividend is 22. So we have to divide the 22 by 4. In 4 table we did not have the number 22. So we have to check for the before number 21. It is also not come in the 4th table. So we have to go to the before number 20. 20 comes in 4th table how many times? 5 times. So 5 4s are 20. By subtracting 20 from 22, you get the remainder as 2. So what is our quotient? 5 and remainder is 2. Okay, now we are going to do activity. For that you have to take how many coins? 22 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, 14, 21, 22. Thus we have taken totally 22 coins. We have to distribute these 22 coins into 4 equal parts by taking 4 coins at once. Okay. Why we are taking 4 coins at once? Because our divisor is 4. So you have to take 4 coins at once. Take 4 coins at once and give 1 to each part. So number of coins in the each part gives you the quotient. Okay. Take 4 coins at once and give 1 to each part. Again take 4 coins at once and give 1 to each part. At last we are trying to take 4 coins but we have only 2 coins. So you have to stop this process up to this. Okay. Let us check our quotient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is our quotient? Our quotient is 5. What is our remainder? Our remainder is 2. Thus our answer is correct. Okay. Thus by this activity I hope children you have understand the concept of division very clearly. Okay. Thank you.